replacing the Technical Educational Quality Improvement Program with MERITE is what would be discussed today. Now this is a very important initiative that has been taken by the government. Now the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program, which is known as TEQIP, was launched in 2002, and this was in assistance with the World Bank. Now with the assistance of the World Bank, funds flowing in from International Development Association, which is one of the agencies of World Bank, we had the program to improve the technical education in India. Now this technical education was mainly focused on the regions where there were low income groups. So low income states was the main focus, and this was executed under Ministry of Human Resource and Development, which is now known as Ministry of Education. The idea was to take the graduates from IITs to the rural remote engineering colleges and try to start teaching in those remote and rural areas. So in 2017, third phase of implementation started, and 2021 is the time where the TEQIP project would actually end, because this was for a period of 25 years with a maturity with 5 years of grace period for which the funds were flowing in. Now, what were the measures that were taken under the Technical Education Quality Improvement Program? There were two measures. One was the institutional based measure and the other was the student based measure. For the student based measure, the idea was to improve the quality of teaching, to improve the training that was given to the students, and provide better internship opportunities to the students. However, when it comes to institution based measures, what were the measures taken? That each of the courses must be accredited under the National Board of Accreditation. There should be digital initiatives that should be taken into account, and moreover, autonomy should be provided to independent colleges, and this was very important. So two important measures that were classified under the TEQIP was important. As we said, 2021 is the time where this would be ending, and we are now trying to replace it with another approach, which is MERITE, which is Multidisciplinary Education Research and Research Improvement in Technical Education. So this is still in its conceptual stage, but the idea is to promote technical education mainly in the rural area, and this program would be tied with the NEP, that is the National Education Policy, which is set to be released based on the 2020 recommendations. Now recently we have also seen STARS scheme in news. Under the STARS scheme, we have seen a lot of funding of nearly 500 million which has been going for strengthening the school education, the governance system across the six states in the school, mainly in the regions of Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Gujarat and Rajasthan. Odisha and Rajasthan. Now talking about the developments that have been seen under MERITE is, this would be a multidisciplinary approach which would not only focus on quality technical education but also research as one of its prerogatives. So that was not the case with the TEQIP scheme. So MERITE is a new scheme which has been recently taken into account, and how it is set to replace the TEQIP or the previous program that was released with the help of World Bank is important. We would be covering many more new schemes and projects that would be in news of late. Stay tuned for updates from our side. Have a wonderful day ahead.